Meet Rahul. Rahul is 27 years old and lives with his family in Delhi, India. He works with a corporate company and comes from an average middle class family. He loves his mother. Rahul just got to know that she has cancer. Rahul is fearful. What will happen now? Will I be able to save my mother? How will I manage everything? He's doubtful. Is the diagnosis really true? Are these tests really needed? Can it ever be cured? He's also anxious. I have no idea where to begin the treatment from. Which doctor and support team shall I start with? How do I know if I'm doing enough? He is flooded with suggestions from well-meaning relatives and friends, but he has no idea what to do next. He needs access to all verified and reliable cancer treatments and support because he wants to ensure that he's leaving no stone unturned to save his mother's life. That's when someone recommends Inara. He finds out about Inara. Hey, I'm Rahul. Is that Inara? Yes, this is Mohit from Inara. How can I help you, Rahul? Hey Mohit, I was wondering if I could get some help. My mother just got diagnosed with cancer. I'm so sorry to hear that, Rahul. We at Inara are here to help you. Thank you so much. So, what can you help with? We can help you with almost everything you may need for this journey. For now, just know that you're not alone to save your mother's life. Thanks, Mohit. That's reassuring. So first things first, you will need to share some details about your mother and some test reports. We will get the reports verified by our senior doctors and share an action plan for the next few months. Detailed, verified and reliable treatments for your mother that you'll need to go through. Oh, that's fantastic. Will it cover all aspects of the treatment? That's right. It will cover medical treatments needed, emotional treatments that she may need to heal, also the nutritional needs that she'll have. You are a savior. Will you also be able to help me find good professionals for the same? Sure, if that's what you need, we have a thorough research process to identify and suggest professionals. Just remember that they're not on board with us and are purely suggestive. That sounds great. How do we begin? I'll tell you, but before that, I would want you to know a few other things. Sure, I'm listening. Once you sign up with us, you'll also get a buddy assigned to you. Okay, and what's that for? So, he's someone who has been through the journey that you're on. Either a cancer thriver or a caregiver like you. Interesting. Say more. So the buddy will be a trained professional, trained on an extensive program from us on cancer treatments and healings, including nutritional needs. Consider him your 2 a.m. friend when needed. Thank you so much. Don't worry, we'll ensure that you're taken care of. You're kind, Mohit. So what's the next step? Give me your email. I will share with you the details that are needed to start the process. Rahul gets an email from Team Inara, which he fills up and shares back. This email includes medical, emotional, and physical examination based questions. Team Inara then shares a detailed action plan for the next few months. It includes a summary, a holistic action plan for Rahul's mother, the buddy details, and answers to the specific questions that Rahul had asked. Thanks for such a detailed analysis, Mohit. Really helpful. I now know what is to be done next. I will also now connect with my buddy to take this ahead. Anytime, Rahul. Let me know if you have any other questions. Hey Anand, Rahul here. Got your number from Mohit at Inara. Thanks for taking this on. Of course, Rahul. I hope you're well and know that we are in this together. Anant then stays in touch with Rahul on every update on his mother as the treatment begins. He also maintains a log. Let me take you through some instances where Anant, who's the buddy, helps the caregiver, Rahul, manage his mother and help her heal. Hey, doctor has suggested 6 sessions of chemotherapy. Can you please verify this, Anant? Sure, Rahul. On the basis of our second consultation shared earlier, I checked with the 2 doctors. They're aligned and have suggested 1 additional mix in the medicine. You may want to check that the next time you visit the doctor. Hey, the second day after mom's chemotherapy session, she's constipation. What should we do? Don't worry, it's common. Try adding to her diet. Keep me in the loop. Anand, it's time to shave her head. I don't know how to deal with this, man. And still support her. I can't do this. Rahul, I have been there. I understand. The last thing she would want is sympathy. Instead, support her. See what works for her. Maybe a photo shoot, some caps, something. Try it out. I can speak with her if you would like. But we can get past this. Oof, the last chemotherapy session is over today. As per the second consultation, radiation is also not needed. Yay! Thanks for your strength and perseverance, Rahul. You have been amazing through this journey, including taking care of your own self. Thank you, Anand. Couldn't have been the same without you. It's a privilege to assist you and your mom with this. Thanks for trusting me. So, what's next? I've been keeping a track of the last 9 months and how much we have moved in this journey. I'll soon share that with you. It's time to acknowledge yourself, Rahul. Thanks. How about the treatment now? Do we have to continue something? Yes, I'll also share the details of what to continue in the lifestyle. Dietary, emotionally, physically, which you can continue. I will also share about the post-cancer program that we have, which includes building a life you love to enable her to live powerfully. I sure will. Thanks again. Can't thank you enough, Anand. You're welcome, Rahul. Give love to your mom. And with that, Rahul had everything he needed to ensure he's leaving no stone unturned to save his cherished mother's life.